تن با ماهی.
At least 7,000 years ago. They leave their poops on the water. Merci beaucoup.
Today you are guest with me.
Really?
Can you
Okay, you can speak English. That's really much I'm afraid of heights. Muhammad Amin! Merci, merci. This giant crane remove the ships and lengths from sea to the land. سلام چطورین خوبی؟
23 سال همکارشم.
دست انداختی؟
ننداختم.
حالا دست بزنی ما چش بکن
دیگه بده.
دیگه اصلا اونا رو خب اسمت چی بود؟
محمد امین.
محمد امین بریم میخوام بریم بالا
You are watching an original short documentary series on the Nav Video YouTube channel, showcasing the natural, cultural, and architectural beauties from around the world.
مرسی کجا برم بایستم؟ من و محمد امین رفیقم Me and my friend, my new friend Muhammad Amin said that if you go down and take a film, take a movie, it's so better to be right here, and this is correct. Muhammad Amin Jun, merci. Thank you so much. Give me that. Muhammad Amin. Merci, merci. Merci in Persian, just like French people, they say merci beaucoup. The Persian people are Iranian people that a generation called Baluch. They are the first people live in Iran at least 7,000 years ago. Okay, you can speak English. بذار ببینم اصلا راحت هست.
maybe fall down? Your phone
Okay, let me come up.
You are from where?
Mashhad.
Wow, fantastic!
Oh,
The best, man.
yes.
I want to clean now down because we have dirties down. I want to cleaning now.
So good. Thank
Yeah,
you.
man. Yeah,
What
man.
is your name?
My name is Joseph
Joseph.
Hussein and Salem.
Saleh.
Somebody's cooking for the food. Is there?
Oh, really?
Yeah, Said and Abdullah.
Where do you come from?
Yeah, from Bandar Mugam. Also.
Tuna fish?
Yes, today you are guest with me.
Really?
Can is there, bro?
Really?
Don't be shy. Yeah,
Wow.
man. Don't be
Awesome.
shy. Enjoy.
در حال آشپزی.
Oh, really?
در
What
حال
is this?
آشپزی. آشپزی.
Wow.
بهترین آشپز دنیا.
چی هست؟
این تن با ماهی.
Tuna fish with
برنج.
برنج.
I want to go down to cleaning there because you have dirty little.
Can I come with you?
Yeah, come on, bro. Anytime.
Take care. You take care of me.
Yeah, I will get it. Bro.
Oh, thank you. Where is here? Joseph, where is here? His accent, just like Indian people.
Yes.
He lives with Indian.
جای نشستمون جای خوابمونه.
This is the main cabin of bedroom and driving and everything. They are sitting right here. They live here and awesome. We are going to see bathroom.
جای موتور برقمونه.
Aha.
اینجا جای موتور برق.
Electricity engine.
انجین آره.
خب.
اینم دستشویی.
This is a toilet or WC or bathroom. They leave their poops on the water.
اینجا هم
Sorry.
جای خوابه بازم بچه‌ها میخوابن.
اینجا.
آره. پایین میتونی بری پایین نگاه کنی.
This is a sleeping area too. Okay. This is fridge. این ها. یخ داره.
این یخ خواب کنه یخ خواب.
The refrigerator without any electricity and they use ice for having cool places. میرم یک دور میزنم باز میام پیشت. قربون تو برم. فدات تو شم.
عزیزی.
شاکر شم حسین. قربون تو برم. فدات شم. اسکی. فدات شم. نوکر شم. عزیز دلی. فدات شم. چطوری؟ داداشین با هم؟ They are brother. چاکر شمایی. مشهدی هم من.
مشهدی خوش آمدی.
نوکرتم. خوبی؟ تا خواباتون کجاست؟
دستشویی همومه.
این دستشوی حموم. This is bathroom and toilet and bathroom. سلام علیکم. آره. چطوری خوبی؟ اوه این. Let's go. Ah. You got that. اینجا اتاق خوابتونه که از اون جداست ها؟
این مال خدمه.
آها.
اتاق خدمه اون جلوی
Bedroom for cruise. چیز کاپیتان کجا میخوابه؟
الان چون در حال تعمیریم.
آها. Captain lives here and stay here and sleep here. اینم که مال آب شربتونه. اوکی. یخچالتون آشپزخونه‌تون کجاست؟ آها این برای که باد نزنه آره. This is kitchen because of safety for wind. آها این یخچالتونه. آها.
حالیه فعلا چون در حال تعمیریم.
آها. ما دقیقاً ارتفاعمون از اینجا تا سطح زمین چقدر الان؟ 12 meter until ground.